how I know me name it no cater. When me come a dance and deliver them sweeter. Clap your hand and stamp your feet on the road, on the pavement, the wall away meter. In a how I know me name it no cater. When me come how I know me name it no cater. When me come no cater. When me come no cater. When me come no cater. No cater. No cater. No cater. Clap. Clap.
Hello everyone, I'm very excited today. I have been in Istanbul for 7 years and today I will try a doner that I have been wanting to try for 7 years. It is now 11:30 in the morning, so I'm in Beşiktaş in the morning and I live in Küçükçekmece, so it is very difficult for me to come to Beşiktaş in the early hours because my home is so far away. Every time I come back, the doner kebab is sold out, but today we will consume that doner. Let's go and try it. And also, it is called Turkey's biggest and most delicious doner kebab. I am really picky person when it comes to doner, so I am very curious if it as delicious as they say. I am very hungry and I don't want to keep you, me, or the love of my life behind the camera waiting any longer. So, let's go guys. We are in Beşiktaş Square, exactly next to the eagle statue. The dinner shop is also right here. And I'm incredibly sleepy right now. Look at the huge dinner. Mashallah, it looks really incredible. Thank you. Oh my god, look at that, it's so big. Oh my god, so juicy. Oh, thanks a lot. Here the brother tells us that there are roasted tomatoes and peppers in the doner and that we should not spill it on ourselves while we are eating. Here is the ayran and the doner that we asked for. Let's taste the ayran. Oh, yeah, it's so fresh. I like it. And also it is really big durum, by the way. It looks really delicious. I will have the first bite, but first of all, look at the bread. The bread is also so good. Let's have a taste and first bite. You can see my face. At this time, I just wanted to feel what's in my mouth because it was really delicious. It was a really high quality meat, I thought. If you see the oils flowing there, I want to go under the doner and eat that oils like this.
Tadı o kadar güzel ki yani şey yok. Saniye.
I don't like the fat in the doner under normal circumstances. However, this doner was distributed so well that it flowed in my mouth. An incredibly delicious doner that really has as much as they say.
Valla o yağ var ya, mesela banarsın yani. Şu an
I bought with the onions. As you know, I really love onions and garlic. I think the onions are really good with any food. But there is a one bad side about this doner, and I think it is really bad. The bad side of the doner is
Et döner
we
yemeyeceğiz.
wouldn't eat doner except this place anymore.
Bir kere.
So it is a bad side.
Çok
I
lezzetli,
swear
yemin
it
ederim.
is really delicious.
Acı biber de pul biber de
I
döktüm
put
ben
some
içine.
pepper inside.
Ya
I love spicy
ekmek
food,
kalitesi bir de bak çok.
but I just want to say something. Even the bread is really good.
Bazı dönerde
It's so
de
delicious
ekmek
and
olur.
soft also.
Oluyor ki ekmek yemekten zaten az et koyuyorlar. Dönerin tadını alamıyorsun. Yanlış mı? Yanlışsa doğru de. Yüz gram et tabii fazla. Turşu da var içinde. Oo, acı da acıymış ha. Ayran da döküyorum.
You can eat doner in almost every city and every region of Turkey. Doner is a food unique to Turkey. However, the doner you eat in different parts of Turkey will never be the same. Factors such as the quality of the meat used, the waiting time of the doner, the cutting technique, and whether it is spicy or not are very important. The weather is very cold and I feel the warmth of the doner fire from behind. It smells as well. I also have a wonderful doner taste in my mouth. What more do I want?
Kolay kolay bir şeyleri abartmam. Gerçekten abartmam.
Dear friends, I do not easily overdo any food, especially never in a meal where am I as a picky as a doner. I have been in Istanbul for 7 years and I have not been able to eat this doner for 7 years because every time I came there was either a huge queue of doner kebab or they had run out of doner kebabs. I want to taste other flavors when I come to Beşiktaş today, but I was very full after eating this doner because it's 100 grams.
100 gram o yediğimiz
Dinner is 190 liras. It's $6.25. Is it worth it? So I have to think about it. I really love McDonald's Big Mac. So Big Mac is 200 Turkish liras. So the prices are quite same. Which one has made me happier, the Big Mac or the dinner?
Ya bu daha
Okay, the
sağlıklı.
doner kebab is more healthier.
Ama yani sos ben
But
çok
I
sos
love the
seviyorum.
Big Mac sauce.
Big Mac
It's
yerdim
really
ya,
hard to
vallahi.
choose, but
Ama çok
I
arada
think
kaldım.
I
Bu sefer
choose
aşırı
the
arada
Big Mac.
kaldım.
I'm sorry.
Şu ana
Okay,
kadar
let's be
yani
honest.
yediğim
This
en iyi
doner
et
is the
döner.
best
Evet,
doner
Karadeniz
I
döneri.
eaten in my life.
Yani iyi ki de gelmişim.
The Karadeniz
İnşallah bir daha
doner should be
erken
the
gelip
first
gelebilirim.
stop
Abiye
in
sordum.
Istanbul for you because
500
I
lira
really
eğitim
like
şu
the
ve
meat, I really
sadece
like the
3-5
bread.
lira bitiyormuş.
Just really trust me, I ate a lot of dinners in Turkey, so this one is the best dinner kebab I ate in my life. And of course, it was the biggest dinner I have ever seen in Turkey. Just guess how much is the dinner weighs and write the comments down below. So I will read all of the comments. Okay guys, thank you for watching my videos and please subscribe my channel and like video if you like it, so I will find you another delicious foods in Turkey. I leave the doner kebab video for you to watch. Love you guys, bye.
Evet, sizi dönerle baş başa bırakıyorum. Bu keyifli seyre devam edin. Abi bitiyor değil mi döner? Bitiyor değil mi abi döner? 4.30-5'e kadar biter.
Satmayacağımız döneri buraya niye takalım ki boş?
Değil mi?
Kilosu 500 lira.
Maşallah. Çok lezzetli ama.
Selam Murat abi. İşler. abi. Koyuyor bugün. Az dokun böyle, az önceki bir dokun geri.
Tadına bak son.
Kaç sonra kadar? Çek az.
Dört tane pide 250, bir tane 100 ürün 100 tane.